So students, in today's class we will discuss from fourth bit. Okay, write numbers formed by the following blocks. This is your fourth bit in your page number 85 only. Fourth bit is what? Write the numbers formed by the following blocks. Okay, just a minute. So write the numbers formed by the following blocks. Clear? Write the numbers formed by the following blocks. So A, in A, what he has given? He has given 4 cubes. Each value, for each cube, what is the value? 4000. So what is the value? 4000 total. If you are adding 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000, what it will become? 4000. Next, he has given 1. So what is this? This is a square. We are considering it as a square. Okay, so what is this? This is 100. It is not an exact square, it is a 3D figure whose width is very small. Okay, so we can consider it as a square. So here this is a building like box. So value of each box is how much? 10. So 4000 is 4 cubes. 100 means one square like box. Okay, here this one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 tall boxes are there, means 8 into 10 80. Okay, 8 into 10 means how much? 80. Okay, plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 smaller boxes are how much? 6. So if you add them totally, what you will get? 4186. This is the answer. First A answer is this one. 4 cubes, each value is 1000. 4 into 1000. Okay, here 1 into 100. Okay, this is 80. 8 into 10 means 8 number of tall boxes. 100 into 1 means 1 square like box. 4000 boxes means 4 cubes. Each of them value is 1000. So this is 6. 6 means 1 into 6. 6 into 1. 6 number of small cubes. Each value is 1. No, that's why I have written 1 here. So with this we have completed your A. Next one, B. If you can look at your B, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 cubes are there. Value of 1 cube is how much? 1000. So here 8 are there. 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000, 4000. This is 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000. So what is the answer? 8000 means how much? This is the number of boxes. Okay, number of boxes. This is the value of each box. Okay, you are having 8 boxes, means 8 cubes. Value of each cube is how much? 1000. So if you are multiplying, you are getting 8000. Clear? So like that you have to understand. In C, you are having a cube. Okay, it is a cube. I am not drawing the rows and columns in it. You have to understand by seeing. C, you are having one cube, 4 squares. 4 squares. Next you are having 4 tall boxes. In that you are having small. So each tall box will have 10 small boxes, means the value of this total box is 10. Previously also we have discussed that. Okay, so you are having tall boxes how many? So I am not drawing, I am drawing it very roughly. Okay, so actually they are cube, means you are having 10 small cubes here. So if you can't understand this what I am telling, you have to see here. So there is a cube, there are 4 squares and 4 tall boxes like this. I am just drawing the outline. Okay, so this value is how much? 1000. So here each value of this box is enta, means how much? 100. Okay, 100, 100, 100, 100, 400. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are having tall boxes, each value is how much? 10. This is 40. How you got? 4 into 10. 4 number of tall boxes. This one 4 into 100. 4 number of squares. This is 1000. 1 into 1000. 1 number of cube. Okay, so cube value is 1000. This square value is 100. So you are having 4, no? 4 into 100. So these are, each value is 10. Each tall box value is 10. So 4 into 10, you are having 40. So what is the total number? Add this 1000 plus 400 plus 40. So 1440. That is the answer. Clear? Next one, D. This is the last one in this bit. So you are having 2 cubes. You are having 2 cubes, then you are having 2 squares. Okay, then you are having 1 tall box. Next you are having 4 small cubes. So value of each cube is how much? 1000. You are having 2. So 2 into 1000. Clear? Value of each square box is how much? 100. You are having 2, no? 2 into 100. Okay. So value of each tall box is how much? 10. 1 into 10. Okay. Value of each small cubes, each of them value is how much? 1. You are having 4. So 4 into 1. So when you add all these, what you will get? 2 into 1000, 2000 plus 2 into 100, 200 plus 1 into 10, 10 plus 4 into 1, 4. What is the answer? 2214. If you add all this, you will get 2214. Like that, you have to, by seeing the type of boxes, you have to understand that cube box is value is 1000, square box value is 100. You have to remember that. It is very easy for you. Okay. So with this we have completed your 4th bit, no? So next, 5th bit is what? Write the numbers represented on the abacus. Write the numbers represented on the abacus. Clear? A. You are having 4 rods, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So no need of writing always here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So first rod is ones, second rod from right to left. First rod is ones, second tens, next hundreds, next thousands. Like that you have to remember. So from here we will not write anything like this. So we will directly understand, because if I write like this, again if I don't write it, next time you will get confused. From here only you should understand by seeing the rods. From right to left we are going. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. So like that. So ones rod is having how many beads here? 5 beads are there. 1 2 3 4 5. Completed. Next, tens rod is having 2 beads. Next, hundreds rod is having 1 bead. Next, this thousands rod is having 7 beads. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, just a minute. Okay, you are having 7 beads here in thousands rod. Yes, 7 only. So how many beads are there in 7 ones rod? 1 2 3 4 5. You have to write 5 below the ones rod. Okay, next, what he has given, write the numbers represented on the abacus. If you count the number of beads and if you count the number of beads, you will get one number. So like that, we have to, one number is represented in the abacus. What is that? We have to write in the numerical form. How you will get? If you count the number of beads only, you will get. So 5 beads are there in ones rod. We have written 5. Next, in tens rod 2 beads are there. In hundreds rod 1 bead is there. In thousands rod 7 beads are there. What is the total number which is represented is the abacus? 7125 is the number. Okay, so what is the number represented in the abacus? 7125. That is the number. Okay, so let's see the second one, B. How many rods are there? If your abacus is having 4 number of rods, then the number which is represented in the abacus will have 4 digits. If the abacus is having 5 number of rods, then the number represented on the abacus will be having, the final answer will be having 5 digits. 5 digit number you will get. Okay, so let us see that. So in ones rod there is nothing. Okay, so you have to leave it. In tens rod there are 3 beads. Okay, next, in hundreds rod how many beads are there? In hundreds rod you are having only 1 bead. In thousands rod you are having how many beads? 5 beads. 5 beads are there. Okay, so you have to count. In ones rod no bead is there, so you have to keep 0. So in tens rod 3 beads are there. In hundreds rod 1 bead is there. In thousands rod 1 2 3 4 5 beads are there. So what is the final number? 5130. So how many rods are there? 1 2 3 4. How many digit numbers you got? 1 2 3 4. How many rods are there? That many digits you will get in the number. You have to remember that, because from rods only, from counting the beads in the particular digit only, we are writing the numbers, no? So how many rods are there? That many numbers you will, that many digit numbers you will get. Okay, so we have completed this B. Next, C. What is that? 1 2 3 4. 4 rods are there. In ones place how many beads are there here? 8 beads. 8 beads are there. In tens place 3 beads are there. In hundreds place 5 beads are there. In thousands place 7 beads are there. One, 2, 3, 4. So you are having 4 rods. You will get 4 digit number only. So in ones place how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you have to write 8 below the ones rod. So in tens rod how many are there? 1 2 3. So you have to write 3 below the tens rod only. Okay, next, 1 2 3 4 5. In hundreds rod you are having 5, no? Write 5 below the hundreds rod. Okay, so in thousands rod how many are there? 7 are there. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 only. Okay, so you have to keep 7 here. So 7538, 7538 is the number. Okay, next one, D. So next one also you are having 4 digits. 4 rods means 4 digits only, no? Yes. So this is 4. 4. In ones rod you are having 4 beads. In tens rod you are having 2 beads. In hundreds rod you are having 3 beads. In thousands rod you are having 3, 3, 3, 9 beads. Okay. So in hundreds rod you are having 9 beads. So in ones rod how many are there? 4. You have to write 4 here. In tens rod you are having 2. In hundreds rod you are having 3. In thousands rod you are having 9. So 9, 3, 2, 4, 9324. That is the answer. Okay. So what is that next bit? So we have completed this bit, no? So what is the next bit? 6th bit. So in 6th bit it is very easy for you. 6th bit is easy. Show the following numbers on the abacus. So in previous bit he gave the abacus, we have to write the number. Here he gave the number, we have to represent it on the abacus. Following numbers on the abacus. First 2 I will say, next 2 are for your homework. Okay. A, B I will say, C, D are for your homework. Okay. So A, first one, the number is 3985, means this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, 3 is in thousands place, no? So I am drawing the abacus. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. So in ones rod 5 is there. How many beads I should draw? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In tens rod 8 is there. How many beads I should draw in tens rod? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So in hundreds place 9 is there. How many beads I should draw in hundreds place? Hundreds rod, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in hundreds place 9 is there, no? So I have to draw 9 beads in hundreds rod. In thousands rod, how many I have to draw? In thousands place 3 is there, no? So in thousands rod I have to draw 3 beads. So this is the number. So 3, 9, 8, 5. Clear? 5, these are 8, these are 9, these are 3. 3, 9, 8, 5. So like that, you should not write the number. You have to just draw the beads. Okay? Clear? So next number. So first one is completed. 7892. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay? No need of writing always. For first one is for your understanding. That's why I wrote. From here I will not write the places. Okay? You should remember. So ones place you are having 2. How many should be drawn in ones rod? 2. Okay? In tens place you are having 9, no? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, no? In tens place you are having 9. In tens rod you have to draw 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Next. In hundreds place you are having 8. Here also you should draw 8 beads in hundreds rod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. In thousands place you are having 7. In thousands rod you have to write 7, draw 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this number we have represented on the abacus. So next 2 are for your homework. C and D are for your homework. We will continue next topic in the next class. So you have to complete your homework. Okay? Thank you.